This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is an affordable 5G smartphone. It belongs to Samsung's A series, known for delivering good displays, long battery life, and 5G connectivity at a budget price. Now we will see the product features. This smartphone comes with 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen with FHD Plus resolution and 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits brightness. This smartphone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor. This smartphone supports 5G. The Galaxy 15 5G handles everyday tasks, social media, and casual gaming quite well. This smartphone has triple camera system. Rear side it has a 50 MP main camera, 5 MP ultra wide camera, and 2 MP macro camera. Front side it has a 13 MP selfie camera. This smartphone support 180 pixel video recording. This smartphone comes with 5000 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging. But charger is not included in the package, and battery can last up to 2 days under typical use. This smartphone ships with Android 14 with One UI 6, upgradable to Android 15 and beyond. Samsung pledges 4 Android OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates. This smartphone comes with various RAM and storage options, including 8 GB RAM and 128 GB or 256 GB internal storage. You can also expand the storage up to 1 TB using micro SD card, which is a great feature for storing more photos and videos. This smartphone comes with single down-firing speaker and 3.5 mm headphone jack. Here you can see the dimension of this smartphone, and weight is 200 grams. This smartphone supports dual SIM. This smartphone includes micro SD expandability, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, NFC, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C. What are the advantages of this smartphone? First point is great display, bright and smooth Super AMOLED screen. Second point is long battery life, easily last a full day or more under typical use. Third point is budget 5G, affordable access to modern network speeds. Fourth point is software support. 4 OS upgrades and 5 years of security ensures longevity. Fifth point is useful extras. Comes with a headphone jack, micro SD slot, and stereo speakers. What are the disadvantages of this smartphone? First point is slow under heavy use. The Dimensity 6100 Plus can lag during app loading or multitasking. Next point is average camera performance. Works well in good light, but ultra wide and low light shots are not great. Next point is no IP rating. Lacks water or dust resistance. Next point is reflective plastic build. Looks less premium, though feel sturdy. Next point is no wireless charging. Only wired fast charging is available. Next point is no charger in the box. You usually have to buy the charging adapter separately. Next point is mono speaker. It has a single bottom firing speaker, which might not be as immersive as stereo speakers. What are the customers' positive feedback? First point is long battery life. Users love its long battery life, lasting 2 to 3 days in light use. Second point is value for money. Many users appreciate value for money. Calls, browsing, and light gaming run well. Third point is display and camera. The display and camera are frequently priced as crystal clear and workable. In US, the price of this smartphone is approximately $199. In India, the price of this smartphone ranges from 13,999 rupees to 19,999 rupees based on RAM and internal storage configuration.